Welcome to the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sense reset. If your thoughts are racing, if your heart is pounding, just pause, get yourself ready. And when you're ready, press play. Okay, you've pressed play. Great. This isn't a fix, it's a reset. Just a few minutes to come back into your body and back into now. This is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sense reset. To ground you, calm you, and bring you back to the here and now. So do as you listen, do as you watch. Loading. 5 things you can see. Look around, name 5 things you can see. Say them out loud or in your head. Go slow. Let your eyes really notice. Loading. 4 things you can touch. Reach out, place your hands on something nearby. Feel the texture, the temperature. 4 things you can touch. Loading. 3 things you can hear. Let the world speak to you. 3 sounds, close or far. Listen beyond the noise. Loading. 2 things you can smell. Breathe in. What scents are nearby? Soap on your skin? Coffee? Dust after rain? Smell is memory's quiet doorway. Loading. 1 thing you can taste. What's the taste in your mouth? Tea? Toothpaste? Your breath? 1 simple taste. 1 last anchor. Well done. Repeat this whenever you feel anxious or whenever you need to come back to yourself, to the here and now. You're not broken, you're here. And here is always a place you can return to. Come back anytime you need and anchor yourself again with the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sense reset.
Ruminate. The space between thought and transformation.